good morning and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday, so we are getting ready to head out the door to go to church, and then after church we have a little photo shoot that my husband's gonna help me do for a little project that I'm working on, so hopefully stay tuned for that. And then afterwards we have an event with some friends of ours, and then depending on our energy levels after that, we're gonna try to go grocery shopping for the week. I want to try to get a little bit of groceries, you know, with all the prices being so high right now. I've been trying to really just limit, like, what do we really need, still including treats and, you know, things that we enjoy, but what do we really need that, you know, will allow us to eat at home primarily. And so I have a little list. We'll try to go do some grocery shopping, maybe take the dogs for a walk, and then come home and make dinner. I want to make some banana walnut muffins. So this is a very ambitious to-do list today, considering it is Sunday, but we'll see how much we get into and get to do, and it'll be a good day regardless. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start making some breakfast now and get the day started. There you go, just a regular egg sandwich with cheese, one for me and one for Josiah. Well, we are back home now, and as expected, my to-do list was a bit too ambitious for today. I did not even consider the weather, which, as you can see, has been pretty rainy and just, you know, gloomy day, which makes for a cozy day at home, but not really a photo shoot day outside or a ton of errands to run. So we decided to skip the photo shoot, skip the groceries, but we did get to see our friends and go to their event. So that was really the best highlight of the day, and it's always good to see friends you haven't seen in a while. So we did get to do that, and now we're just at home. I'm gonna edit some photos that I took for some family the other day, so I'll probably do that for a little bit and then see what we can get into for dinner. And maybe, just maybe, we will make those banana walnut and chocolate chip muffins. So we'll see if we get into that, but we're gonna hang out for a little bit and just enjoy this cozy rainy weather.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. that they used to say. Seeking you will find.
The muffins are good. And the chicken is good. Couldn't make just dessert. We had to also make dinner.
You are brighter all the time. And I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it within.
Well, the day has officially come to an end, and it is still raining outside. Steady flow out there. So just a reminder that, again, we did not get to do everything on our to-do list today, but it all worked out, and we got to do the important stuff today. So I'm really grateful for that, and it's going to be nice to sleep with the raindrops in the background, so that'll be nice. But we're going to just hit the hay, get ready for the new week ahead of us, and yeah, just enjoy the evening. But thank you so much for watching if you made it to the end of this video, and I look forward to more videos in the future and kind of documenting this new little project that I'll be doing hopefully soon. So again, stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!